And we're back to learning Gimp. Let me show you a simple photo filter. I don't really know how to call this, but the setup is pretty easy and you can adjust it in various ways. We'll just copy the original, then we'll go to Filters, Edge Detect, and find Neon. Left click on it, and you want to change the blending mode right here to LCH color. One way to adjust it is via the radius. You have this typical anaglyphic effect. Intensity, I would suggest keeping it low because it adds a lot of noise. You can see that right here in the darker spaces. Once you're happy with what you've got, you still have your original below, and then you can change the blending mode for this one. Depending on the blending mode that you use, you get a totally different feel, different effects. I like HSV value. It makes the photo way more dramatic. And then I go down with the opacity to around 60 to 80%. But as I've said, you can adjust this in various ways by using different blending modes. For example, light and only. You can keep it to normal or try something completely different. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.